Hello everyone, it's your girl again, I's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how I make my avocado smoothie. I will be using only 3 items for this avocado smoothie, which is avocado, banana, coconut organic pure water. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please support your girl by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you very much and God bless you. For my old subscriber, I say thank you very much. I appreciate you for your support. Thank you very much. God bless you. Frozen avocado. Banana. I will be adding my organic pure coconut water. Here is my avocado smoothie with banana and organic coconut pure water. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye. I love you.